Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. It's All in Tech, cause I'm all about tech. All in tech, cause I'm all about tech. All in tech, cause I'm all about tech. Cause I'm all about tech, cause I'm all about tech. Hey! Alright, so you already know, once you see me have this shirt on, you know it's going to be an unboxing video. So all my veterans, you already know what we're going to do. All the amateurs, people that's new to the channel, welcome. And this is what we do before every unboxing. Alright, so we're going to do it together as a team. 1, 2, 3. It's unboxing time. Let's get into it. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with the Black Decker. This video is being recorded by my boy Kevin. Shout out to him, respect. Thanks for recording this video for me. If you guys want to check out his YouTube channel, I will definitely link his channel. He usually do like reactions to like new music videos and stuff like that. He's pretty dope. Cool dude.
Let's Rick Ross more like a wavy hideo. Kojima, they tote steamers round the way we tippy toe.
He on that Artificial tray. Oh, cool, man. Cool.
Work shit crazy, didn't know I got more M's than a real Slim Shady video. Big boss, let's Rick Ross more like a wavy hideo. Kojima, they tote steamers round the way we tippy toe. Round crack vibes and cold-blooded killers.
And he actually plays Apex. Win-win. All right, so I'm here at work with this Black Decker vacuum that I actually conned my manager to get for us because the trucks was dirty and I needed to clean the trucks and keep the trucks clean. Very clean freak, don't judge me. So I'm here with the Black Decker vacuum. This vacuum is like I think $35 if I'm not mistaken on Amazon. Definitely gonna link it below. It's a dope vacuum, looks really good. It's quality. The wires is really long.
That's what she said.
The attachments that it comes with is pretty good. It's a really good vacuum. Now, what's so dope is you're spending $35 and they're giving you so many things in this box. Like this bag, I bought another vacuum before and it never came with nothing like this. This comes with a bag, it comes with 2 attachments, it comes with the hose, it comes with a lot of stuff that I didn't expect it to come with for that price, which is pretty good. Now, if you guys want to see like a follow-up video of my, matter of fact, no, you don't need no follow-up video. I'm going to give you everything right here, right now.
I know, I was speechless too.
Alright, is this vacuum worth it? Before we go any further, is this vacuum worth it? I'm going to tell you right now, yes, I honestly think this vacuum is worth it because of the price and what you're getting. Now, what I'm going to definitely do, I'm going to run this thing to let you guys see how it actually works. So see if it's powerful enough. So now, heads up. Don't try to use this on like an all-weather mat that has the dirt all caked up on it. It's not going to work on it properly. It works really well on like loose dirt. It sucks up the dirt. It sucks up like bolts, stones, little rocks, pellets, stuff like that. It works really well for that. But the dirt that's stuck on like the all-weather mats, it doesn't work for that. That's what you got to take the mat out, use like a broom, sweep it off, and do it like that. But don't think that this vacuum is going to do. Now, it's good that the wire is long because you're able to maneuver around the car properly and stuff like that. But for me, I'm not trying to get no vacuum like this anymore because the last time I had a vacuum like this, the wire got shorted out and messed up at the edge where it always does, right by where you plug it into the cigarette lighter. So now for me, what I'm going for is like the type of vacuum that's wireless, where you just plug it in, it charges, and then when you're ready, you use it. And I can use it in the trunk of my car and in the front of my car. And I won't have to be confined by that little wire stopping me from going all over the place. Now, as you can see right here, look how it's vacuuming up all the dirt with no problem. All the stones or the pellets, it's taking up everything in 2 seconds. And for me, that's really good because the faster you could done finishing a car, especially if you have multiple cars like me. I have my car, my wife's car, and another car that I have a vacuum. So if you're trying to do a quick vacuum out the cars, you want something that's powerful, get straight to the point. You don't want something to waste your time. So this vacuum, honestly, is more than suffice. It's good enough, and you can just run with it.
Get over here!
Now, when I first tried it on the actual mat, it didn't work properly. I was like, yo, this thing sucks. But after using it on the regular carpet, regular ground, I was like, okay, this is really, really good. It's easy to empty, very, very easy to empty. And then they have like a button on here where you press to like release the filter. And it's very, very easy to clean. As you can see right there, I dropped it. And now I'm showing you the button right here. And then I'm gonna actually show you the filter and how easy it is to empty it and actually boom and go right back to vacuuming. So that's very big too, because you want to make sure that it's easy to just vacuum, get it over with, clean it, right back in there. You don't want it to something that consume too much time. I'm very, very keen with my time. So as you can see, boom, very, very easy. So if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll link it in the description. You already know what it is. It's All In Tech, because I'm all about tech. Rate, subscribe, share with your friends. Peace.